Lokiya Dhamma, Lokuttara Dhamma. Lokato Uttarati, Lokuttara. Loke Abriyapana Bhavena, Lokato Uttarati, Lokuttara. The word Uttara naturally, the northern region is called Uttara, the northern direction. Why northern direction? Why north is called Uttara in Pali? Geographically, north is much higher than south, naturally, right? So most river in the world flowing down from the north to south. Very rare, very few river, something flowing east to west, etc. But almost all rivers starting from the north and flowing to the south. So north area is called Uttara. In India, there is one state called Uttar Pradesh, right? So you know the state of Uttar Pradesh? UP. In short, it is called UP. Uttar Pradesh. Varanasi, Nikatapana is situated in the UP, and three places of the Buddhist sacred places: Varanasi, Nikatapana, Kusinagara is also belong to the eastern northern edge of Uttar Pradesh states. And another one moved to the northern to border, near to the border of the Nepal country. That is Dawati. In all the three places are Buddhist sacred place in the Uttar Pradesh district. Uttar Pradesh, UP, Uttara. You know the word Ut. Myanmar only in Ut or Ut. When this word Ut, Odan Yawa Bawaka Cha, Ado Yawa Awijito, the word Ut, referring to the up, higher and higher to the skies. That is the word Ut. So Uttara, something beyond. Here, beyond the worldly, lokato uttara, beyond the worldly, lokato uttara. Things which have passed over. So the passing over, those things here also used. Translated the word transcendent, Transcend. Transcend. What is the meaning of transcend? Transcend means pass over, right? Synonym, like pass over. Beyond the worldly. Therefore, Loge apriyapana bhavena lokato uddarati lokottara. Things which have passed beyond the worldly, being not included in the worldly, right? Apriyapana bhavena. Loge apriyapana bhavena. Loge is worldly. Apriyapana bhavena, being not included. Being not included therein, loge apriyapana bhavena. Lokato uddara, beyond the worldly. In front of the beyond the worldly, extra word is put to make you much more clear. Things which have passed beyond the worldly. Things which have passed beyond the worldly. In what way it is gone beyond? To express that, in what way? In Pali it is akara, no? ကျော်လွန်ခြင်းအချင်းရာကိုပြတယ် Apriyapana bhavena, being not included therein, are termed transcendent. Literally, atra word. So, uttara maybe atra. No? Tado uddenadi uddara. Uddena with the past perfect tense is which have been already passed over. And to get to make definition to be available for the Mecca, then Vikaha is Uttaran Titi Uttara. Uttaran Titi Uttara. According to the definition of Vikaha, Uttaran Titi Uttara, and then for Mecca is available. And for the bust, Uttare Sudi Uttara. So two vikaha for the past tense and the present tense. Uttaran, didi, uttara. Uttaran, didi, uttara. According to this definition, for Mecca. Uttarain Sudi. Uttarain Sudi. Uttara. According to this definition, for Phala. For Mega and for Phala. Then the remaining for the Loka yesterday, last week. So, Luja, roots, or Luja, roots, and even some may say Loka itself can be the roots, or three idea. If this luja, then this ja has to change into ga. From the ga again has to change into ga. So it's 3 steps is needed. If this one is lucha, then CA change into KA. Then it is much shorter, no? For grammatical point of view. You know the sutra in the Gita chapter, Kapidana chapter, I think, Gita Martin. Kagacha. Kaga, cha, jana, no? Kaga, cha, jana. That is one short sutra, meaning cha change into ka. Ja change into ka. So this meaning is ja into ka, ja into ja into ka, right? Ja into ka. So here this ja in this way can go after becoming ga, it has to go again, transforming the form into ka. But in lucha, this CA directly change into ka. So the grammar, if possible, meaning and possible what is they think over. So Lokiya Dhamma, Lokuttara Dhamma, Katame Dhamma, Lokuttara, Chattaro Magga, Abriyapana Chadari Cha Samanya Falani Nebbananja Ime Dhamma Lokoptara. What are the Dhamma which are supramundane? There are the four area parts which do not include in the three worlds and four noble fruition of parts. In Nibbana, these Dhammas are supramundane. Okay, let's go to the next. Dukkha is kenaci vinneyya. Kenaci vinneyya. Kenaci vinneyya dhamma, na kenaci vinneyya dhamma. In your text, only answer where is a question. Sabbe dhamma kenaci vinneyya or sabbe dhamma kenaci na vinneyya. Sabbe dhamma, you go down the last passage. All dhammas, sabbe dhamma, chaita, chesika, rupa, nibbana are the dhammas which are cognizable by certain consciousness, which are not cognizable by certain consciousness. So, kenaci vinneyya. In the commentary, there are two ways of understanding, by way of Atthakatha and by way of Tika. But instead of going deep in this dukkha, we can roughly go to understand kenaci vinneyya dhamma. What are the dhamma which are the cognizable by certain consciousness? The answer is, suppose the dhamma which are cognizable by the I consciousness. Suppose I consciousness is subjective, then the remaining, what is objective. Cognizable by the I consciousness is what? That is rupa yatana, right? Cognizable by I consciousness is rupa yatana. The remaining 89 consciousness, 52 cetasika, 27 rupa apart from the 27 rupa, excluding all rupayatana and nibbana. So the remaining all, that's why in the, but you know your English version not included that chart. အဲ့ဒီတရားပါလားအဲ့ဒီတရားခြံထားခဲ့တယ်နော်အဲ့ဒီတရားဒီမှာ not included but only the collected charts mentioned. So kenaci vinneyya. Okay, go to check on the page number 83. Kenaci vinneyya, which are cognizable by certain consciousness, such as unconsciousness, etc. That is 89, 52, 28, nibbana. Collectively all, which one is kenaci vinneyya, the other is kenaci na vinneyya. So if it's this chart go detail, we have to go in this way for the kenaci vinneyya dhamma. If the subject is the I consciousness, then cognizable by the I consciousness is the only rupayatana, right? So, and the other, the remaining 89, 52, 27 rupa nibbana are kenaci na vinneyya, right? And then first words, kenaci vinneyya, if unconsciousness is taken, right? Unconsciousness is the subject, then cognizable by the unconsciousness is the rupayatana. So the first words, kenaci vinneyya dhamma. And the remaining 89 consciousness, 52 chetasika, 27 rupa nibbana are kenaci na vinneyya dhamma. In this way, alternatively, one by one, examines for next for the ear consciousness. Ear consciousness, according to the kenaci vinneyya dhamma, the ear consciousness cognizable by the ear consciousness is the sound, right? Sadarupa. In the second group, kenaci na vinneyya dhamma, the remaining 89, 52, 27, except from Sada, sound, Sada Rupa. 27 Rupa and Nibbana are kenaci, according to the kenaci na vinneyya dhamma, second watch. In this way, check one by one. Chakku vinyana, soda vinyana, kana vinyana, jinva vinyana, kaya vinyana, then Mano Dhatu, after that Mano Vinyana Dhatu. And then this checking goes up to the remember the Aramana chapter of the Bhagavad Sangha when we study Aramana chapter of Bhagavad Sangha, then according to the kenaci vinneyya dhamma, suppose according to the kenaci vinneyya Dhamma, is taking 8 Lokottara Chaitas. So, according to the word kenaci vinneyya Dhamma, the first word is Lokottara Chaita 8. Then, cognizable, those Dhamma cognizable by the 8 Lokottara Chaita is what? Cognizable by the 8 Lokottara Chaita is Nibbana. Directly cognizable to the by the 8 Lokottara Chaita is Nibbana. So, in the first words, Nibbana is according to the kenaci vinneyya Dhamma. Then the remaining akusala chaita astra, logiya chaita, in the kenaci na vinneyya Dhamma, for the second words, then the remaining chaita chitsika arupa is taken, like akusala logiya chaita 81, chitsika 52 associated with them, and 28 rupa is according to kenaci na vinneyya Dhamma. So in this way, one by one, going to check what is certain Dhamma knows, what is certain Dhamma does not knows. In this way, grouping their level of capacity, like now we have a group in making Chakku Vijnana, Soda Vijnana, Kana Vijnana, Zenva Vijnana, Kaya Vijnana, then Manoda 3, and after that the remaining, or after Manoda 2, you can recall back to the Aramana Sangha, Tata Hada Sanimya Kama Godadi, in Myanmar, Tata Ramana, the remaining Ramana Hasidobara, that is a sensitive object, definitely takes how many consciousness? How many consciousness takes sensitive object? 20, 25, right? Those 25 only knows Kama object. Then Kama Vajra Chaita 54, associated Chaitasika, extra. And these 25 has no energy to know the higher level of Mahagata and Lokottara, right? So the gradient and groups. So in that group, as in the Aramana Sangha, then those are (23) sensitive resultant, right? 23 sensitive resultant. In this 23 sensitive resultant, what are they? The 10 Vijnana is there, Dripanja Vijnana, Manodhatu is there, and then the remaining sensitive Vipaka is there. So in that category, and if it's taken collectively, okay, those 25, that definitely takes sensitive, the 25 consciousness. They know sensitive only. Therefore, according to the Dhamma kenaci vinneyya, the subject is taken these 25, then their object is sense-sphere consciousness 54, their associated Chittasika 52 extra. No? Then, okay, for understanding to some extent, in that grouping, if you recall in Aramana Sangha, after that 25, then among the Anekanda 31 in the gradients, like Agusala 12, Mahakusala Jnana Vipayodha 4, Mahagriya Jnana Vipayodha 4, extra, the grouping, these 20. And what are their objects? Object means they can know, cognizable by these 20s. What are they? They can know maximum up to the logiya, because these have no energy to cognize Lokottara, right? So they are limited to the logiya. Then, what are their objects? Logiya, Chaita, 81. Associated Chaitasika, 52. Right? Rupa, 28. So, these are according to the kenaci vinneyya. If going to according to their degrees and their gradients. So in that way, we have in fact studied in the Aramana Sangha. And from the Anekanda 31, we have grouping of these 20s, then next grouping of 5, next grouping of 6 or 5, maybe coming 6 first. 5. What are the 6? Mahakusala, Jnana Sambhayodha. This is Vipayodha. This is Magriya Vipayodha. Mahakusala, Jnana Sambhayodha. This one is 6. This one Mahakusala. This one Mahagriya Jnana Sambhayodha. Right? Okay, Kusala Jnana 1. Kriya Jnana 1. One item. Missing. Menorah Vadamula. This 6. 1 Menorah Vajana. And this 5. Mahakriya. Mahagriya Mahakusala Jnana Sambhayodha of Anagami, right? They can reach up or almost all, 89. No? So in that classification, Mahakusala Jnana Sampayutta 4, Kusala Abhiñana 1. No? So, kenaci vinneyya only some rough information, this much. Example, only example. And if you want to understand clearly, then you back to the Aramana Sangaha. Once you have digested to the Aramana Sangaha, then kenaci vinneyya, kenaci na vinneyya be easily known. Then we can conclude this dukkha, Sulandara dukkha. Let's go to the Mahandara dukkha. Those who are interested to complete the kenaci vinneyya, you can come and discuss. But for now, we go to the next dukkha, Chulandara dukkha, Mahandara dukkha. Mahandara dukkha. Let's go to the Mahandara dukkha. Katame Dhamma dukkha. In this Mahandara dukkha, How many dukkha's are there? Right? In your page number 49, Mahandara Dukkam, Kadame Dhamma Saramana, Kadame Dhamma Anaramana, Saramana in Anaramana. The word sa is derived from the word saha. Saha plus aramana, right? Saha aramanena ye vodanti di saramana. Saha aramanena Aramanena Saha Aramanena Ye Buddhanti Di Saramana. Ye, these phenomena Buddhanti arises. These phenomena arises. These phenomena arise with objects. Saha aramanena ye vodanti di saramana. These Dhamma arise with objects. Those are named saramana. What are the Dhamma which have arise with objects? That is 89 Chaitas and associated state 52. They are saramana with objects. These Dhamma have the ability to take object, therefore they arise with objects. Those Dhamma arise with object is 89 Chaita and 52 Chetasika. So the remaining Rupa and Nibbana are in the category of Anaramana. Rupa has no energy, no capacity to take objects. Anaramana. So, Kadame Dhamma Saramana Chatusu Bhumisu Kusala Akusala Chatusu Bhumisu Vibhago Tisu Bhumisu Kriya Vyakatan Ime Dhamma Saramana. Kadame Dhamma Anaramana Rupancha Nibbanancha Ime Dhamma Anaramana. What are the Dhamma which cannot take objects, materiality and Nibbana? These Dhammas cannot take objects. Okay, let's stop here.
Sadhu.